over rum. Soda give you bad water, buster make your cluster bag juice make you no use. Pepsi give you epilepsy, alcohol give you slow start. Them juice make you walk off your wife and sweetheart without a thought. So we start from the spirulina. Spirulina build up your confidence, kill cancer cell, build up immune system, lower cholesterol, lower blood pressure, stimulate the movements of the sex life. Make when you wake up a man tie can upon your belly have it on your side, the boy look something for your eye. Alright. We are working with the buck up in here now. See the buck up in here? This is when you put one wet rock on your morning time, it just stays on and go down. All when water come out of this well said, we people up on top of it a ball. See it, this near the okra tuna coconut water. This good for back pain, joint pain, poor blood circulation, arthritis, build up sperm count, make when you leg of water in a whole flood out.
Oh my God.
See it, yeah. This is Irish mash and beetroot, sunflower seed and pumpkin seed. So this is good for the back and good for the cock. Beetroot are the straight blood cleanser this. So if anything in your blood, this take out it. Health over wealth and juice over rum.
God no, the bars are hard. Swear.
Oh, I eat that.
I eat that.
Yeah. That are the peanut sauce, pearl of blood with chain root, ramoon, merengue, molasses, noon, shea, mamaka and dopey gun. These are the spirulina. That are 12 days. Health over wealth, juice over rum. Yeah man, this is all the natural juice man. Any diabetic, any poor blood circulation, any arthritis, any pressure patient. See it, the lady love the buck up, you know. That means when she go home and put on her bag, she feel for. If she a wine and stop, it make she go right road.
Yes sir. Where's that one name, boss?
And the buck up, you know, man.
I buck up in now.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Alright, my boss. Respect.
Juice over rum. Empress.